How to open WhatsApp location in Google Maps on iPhone. Here's how to do it on your iPhone. First, make sure you have the Google Maps app installed from the App Store. Next, open WhatsApp and go to the chat where the live location has been shared. Tap View Live Location to open it. Now, tap on the person's profile at the center of the screen. You will see the person name and eye icon. Then tap the eye icon. You'll now see several options, including Info, Get Directions, Video Call, Voice Call, and Send Message. Tap Get Directions. A menu will appear asking which app you'd like to use for directions. Select Google Maps. Your destination will now open directly in Google Maps, where you can start navigation as usual. If Google Maps doesn't appear in the list, make sure it's installed on your iPhone and updated to the latest version. And that's it. That's how you can use Google Maps for locations shared on WhatsApp using your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks, and how-to tutorials.